Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the pillow app review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The pillow app offers advanced sleep tracking with detailed insight, think sleep stages, heart rate analysis, snore sound recording, and syncing with Apple Health. Great for users with an Apple Watch or iPhone who want to dig deep into their sleep patterns. On the flip side, the algorithm isn't always accurate. Users report hard sleep, waking time, and missed section, together with many key features are locked behind an expensive subscription. If you're serious about sleep analysis and having compatible hardware, Pillow is worth trying, but it's just for basic sleep start, or prefer a free solution, you might find better value elsewhere. And that's it.